So guys, this is the way going to Crown Hotel. So I was riding, taking my right hand side, going to the side of Juba, and it's raining right now. It's raining right now in this side of Juba. So I'm telling you, this is how rain is in Juba, yeah? This is the way going down to Crown Hotel and going down also to Pyramid Hotel. As well also it's a way going to Radisson Blu. So I'm just like here riding out, showing you this is the way going, like this is also the airport road. So I'm here riding, as you can see me riding and just moving around. Every time of raining I will be moving around checking out my city, you know. Whoa, Juba, man. That's me over here, man. Yeah, this is the way now. I'm turning like the way to Crown Hotel. As you can see in front, that is Crown Hotel. Yeah, this is Crown Hotel right now here. So I'm moving forward, I'm going that side of Juba. As you can see, this Juba, man, nice city. But one thing is the roads. See how the roads are. This Juba, man. So I'm going to the petrol station. My fuel is about going off. So I'm turning my left hand side going to the petrol station. Yeah, this is the petrol station right here.